Welcome to Croatia, a European crossroads where Central Europe meets the Mediterranean, where Roman ruins blend with modern coffee culture, and where turquoise waters cradle over 1,000 islands. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore Croatia's cities, coastlines, islands, festivals, and hidden corners. Whether you're lured by ancient fortresses, the tang of sea-salted air, or a sizzling local food scene, Croatia promises experiences you'll remember for a lifetime. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into why Croatia belongs on your travel bucket list. Croatia may be modest in size, home to around 4 million people, but it's astonishingly diverse. The official language is Croatian, though English is widely spoken in tourist areas. After centuries under various empires, Roman, Venetian, Austro-Hungarian, Ottoman Croatia declared independence in the early 1990s. Since then, it has emerged as a prime travel gem, blending old-world charm with dynamic modern trends. You'll find three key regions. Slavonia in the east, known for fertile plains and hearty cuisine. Istria in the northwest, boasting Italianate towns, vineyards and truffles. Dalmatia along the coast, studded with iconic cities like Split and Dubrovnik, and the many islands of the Adriatic. We begin in Zagreb, the capital and cultural heart, before venturing into pristine national parks, island paradises and beyond. Zagreb contrasts Croatia's seaside allure with an urban chic and intellectual vibe. Lower town, Gornji Grad, marvel at Austro-Hungarian architecture, broad boulevards, and parks that double as social hubs. Banja Luka Square pulses with daily life, shoppers, street musicians, and locals catching up over coffee. Upper town, Gornji Grad, ride the funicular, the world's shortest cable railway, up to see St. Mark's Church. Its iconic roof showcases medieval Croatian coats of arms. Nearby, the Lotuskak Tower fires a cannon daily at noon, a quirky tradition dating back centuries. Museum scene. Don't miss the thought-provoking Museum of Broken Relationships or the Croatian Museum of Naive Art, a testament to the region's rich folk creativity, cafe culture and nightlife. Zagreb's residents linger over coffee and pastries, discussing politics, art or football. By night, bars and clubs beckon with craft beers, live music and a friendly vibe that welcomes everyone. Zagreb's balance of history, culture and youthful energy makes it an unforgettable starting point. Croatia's cuisine reads like a love letter to both land and sea. Inland and northern areas, goulash, roasted meats and artisanal cheeses nod to Central European tastes. Coastal and island regions, Mediterranean influences rule. Grilled fish, octopus salad, tangy marinades and top-tier olive oils. Istria, famed for truffles, both white and black, found by specially trained dogs or pigs. Sample them in pasta, risotto or eggs paired with local Malvasia wine. The region's olive oils rank among the world's best. Dalmatia, from black risotto tinted with cuttlefish ink to fresh oysters in stone, seafood reigns supreme. End meals on a sweet note, fritule, tiny donuts dusted with sugar. Or rosata, a silky custard reminiscent of creme brulee. Food is the lens through which many travelers glimpse Croatian heritage, so come hungry and ready to explore. About 2 to 3 hours from Zagreb lies a UNESCO wonder Plitvice Lakes National Park. Picture 16 interconnected lakes stepping down through forested hills, each flowing into the next via waterfalls of varying size and intensity. Footbridges let you glide above tranquil waters where fish drift lazily below. Every season offers a different spell. In spring, lush greenery bursts forth. In autumn, leaves turn vivid shades of gold and red, framing the lakes with fiery hues. Winter sees frozen cascades, creating an almost surreal fairy tale scene. Plan for at least half a day. Many visitors stay a full day to fully soak in the park's serenity. Heading south to the coast, we arrive in Split, Dalmatia's biggest city and a living museum of Roman heritage. Diocletian's palace forms the city's backbone. Its sprawling complex now housing modern apartments, cafes and shops amid centuries-old columns. Stroll along the Riva, sample local figs or olives from the green market, or climb the St. Donius Cathedral bell tower for a sweeping cityscape. When the sea calls, hop a ferry to a neighbouring island, Hvar, Brac or Vis, each offering a distinctive Adriatic experience. Split's central location and laid-back vibe make it an ideal base for your coastal explorations. Croatia's coastline is a tapestry of over 1,000 islands. Some highlights include Hvar, known for nightlife, trendy bars and rolling lavender fields. Stroll its polished marble streets before heading to the Spanish fortress at sunset. By day, charter a boat to discover hidden bays. Then there's Brac, home to Zlatni Rat, a stunning spit of golden sand that shifts shape with the tide. Brac is also famed for its white stone, utilized in iconic buildings worldwide. And let's not forget Korcula, nicknamed Little Dubrovnik for its medieval walls and winding alleys. Many claim it as the birthplace of Marco Polo, and local grape varieties like Gjidok and Posip yield delightful wines. Island hopping is a breeze with ferries and catamarans. Build an itinerary mixing relaxed beach days with cultural wanderings to suit your style. Next, we head further south to Dubrovnik, arguably Croatia's most iconic city. Enclosed by imposing medieval walls, the old town feels like a journey back in time. Yet modern boutiques, fine dining and cultural events keep it thoroughly current. Walk the city walls in early morning or late afternoon for fewer crowds and stunning panoramas over the old town and Adriatic. Stradun, the main street, gleaming like marble, brims with cafes, souvenir shops and lively street performances. Hop aboard the Mount Sud cable car at sunset and watch Dubrovnik glow in the diminishing light, an unforgettable vantage point. Circumnavigate the old city walls from the water by kayaking, discovering hidden beaches and sea caves along the way. Dubrovnik's synergy of ancient history and contemporary life cements its status as a must-visit. Travel northwest to Istria, where Croatian, Italian and Slovenian influences create a remarkable fusion. Picture-perfect Rovinj with pastel houses clustered along the sea and a romantic old town brimming with hidden courtyards. Pula boasts a well-preserved Roman amphitheatre still hosting concerts and movie nights under the stars. Inland hilltop towns like Motovun and Grozny charm visitors with panoramic views, truffle-laden menus and local art galleries. Sign up for a truffle hunting tour, indulge in top-notch olive oils and sip Malvasia or Terran wines. Istria is all about savouring the slow life, a testament to Mediterranean bliss. Venturing into northern Dalmatia, we find Zadar, a city that merges ancient history with avant-garde art installations. The sea organ is an architectural marvel that uses the movement of the Adriatic to generate ethereal music through underwater pipes. Relax on the steps and let nature's tunes fill the air. The Greeting to the Sun is a circular, solar-powered light show that illuminates the promenade after dark, creating a dazzling dance of color. Zadar's blend of Roman ruins, medieval architecture and futuristic public art reflects Croatia's talent for weaving old and new into something truly magical. Close to Šibenik lies another watery wonder, Krka National Park. While Plitvice often steals the limelight, Krka dazzles with equally enchanting waterfalls, especially Skradinski Buk, a multi-tiered cascade set amid lush greenery. Here you can swim in designated areas beneath the falls, a major draw, wander boardwalks that meander over the river and explore the park's historical sites like the remains of ancient watermills. Krka's more relaxed pace and the chance to cool off in its pools makes it a refreshing counterpart to Plitvice. Turn your compass east to Slavonia, a lesser visited region offering a starkly different Croatian landscape. The city of Osijek, graced by the Drava River, features a meticulously restored Tivda fortress brimming with bars, cafes and cultural events. Taste kulen, a spicy sausage, or explore the vineyards of Ilok, producing fragrant wines near the Danube. Slavonia's slower pace, welcoming locals and robust gastronomic scene provide a soulful counterpoint to the bustling coast, revealing Croatia's multi-layered identity. Croatia's cultural mosaic sparkles in its festivals, music and customs. Klapa singing, a centuries-old a cappella style that resonates with the coast's maritime heritage. Carnivals and folklore. In Rijeka, carnival season floods the streets with costumes, parades and joy. Rural villages celebrate folklore festivals with lively dances, embroidered costumes and local crafts. Modern, vibrant summer music festivals attract global DJs to ancient fortresses, while urban galleries in Zagreb host cutting-edge exhibits. From ancient chants echoing in stone courtyards to modern beats on sunlit beaches, Croatia's cultural heartbeat is as diverse as its landscapes. Beyond historical settings, Croatia has a thriving modern nightlife scene. Summer months bring electronic music festivals like Ultra Europe in Split or smaller boutique events in scenic forts along the coast. If craft beer is your thing, seek out microbreweries. Zagreb's Garden Brewery is a must-try, offering experimental ales in a laid-back setting. Whether you're dancing till dawn or casually pub hopping, you'll find Croatians know how to have a good time. Ready to get your heart pumping? Croatia's outdoor scene beckons. Sailing and kayaking, charter a yacht or rent a sea kayak to explore hidden coves, sea caves and quiet beaches. Windsurfing in Bolbrac Island's channel near Bol is famed for consistent winds, making it a windsurfing hotspot. Cycling and hiking pedal through vineyards and hilltop villages or tackle the Dinaric Alps for a rugged trek. Diving and snorkeling, clear waters reveal thriving marine life and historic shipwrecks scattered along the seabed. Croatia's dynamic topography ensures you can shift from city tours to adrenaline-filled escapades in just a day. Before setting off, keep these pointers in mind. Currency: Croatia is in the Eurozone, simplifying currency exchanges for many visitors. Language: English is widespread in tourist regions, but a smile and a hvala, thank you, go a long way. Transport: buses link major cities efficiently. Ferries connect islands regularly, although schedules can vary off-season. Renting a car offers flexibility, especially inland. Climate: continental in the North Inland Mediterranean along the coast. Pack layers for cooler nights or mountain excursions. When to go: June and September, shoulder seasons. Strike a sweet spot for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. With these insights, navigating Croatia's wonders, coastal or countryside, becomes a breeze. Croatia is more than a destination. It's a vivid tapestry of culture, nature, flavors, and friendly faces. In one trip, you can wander through Roman palaces, feast on truffle risotto, sail to a hidden bay, and dance to klapa tunes under the stars. We hope this extensive guide inspires you to craft your own Croatian story, full of exploration, relaxation, and memorable encounters. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this deep dive, and let us know your favorite Croatian spot or dream itinerary in the comments. Until next time, Sretan put, safe travels, and may Croatia's charm leave an everlasting imprint on your heart. Thanks for tuning in. Which Croatian city or region caught your fancy the most? Or maybe you've got a hidden gem we didn't mention. Share away in the comments. If this video got you daydreaming about your next getaway, or gave you fresh ideas for a honeymoon or family trip, smash that thumbs up. We love hearing your travel tales and helping you make new ones. Before you jump back into the daily grind, be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell. We're all about sharing global travel tips, romantic escapades, and cultural deep dives. Got a friend itching for a Mediterranean adventure? Share this video and help them plan their route through Croatia's sunlit shores. Thanks for watching, and here's to embracing the best of Croatia, one remarkable moment at a time. In Croatia, history greets you at every corner, nature cradles you in its peaceful beauty, and the Adriatic beckons you to explore. However you choose to experience it, through ancient festivals, daring water sports, or coffee-fueled city strolls, Croatia is a place where you feel warmly at home and thrillingly abroad, all at once. Until next time, Zivjeli, cheers and safe travels.
Thanks so much for joining us on today's adventure. If you enjoyed tagging along or picked up a helpful tip, smash that thumbs up button and drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear about your travel stories, dream destinations, and any fun travel hacks you've discovered. Seriously, don't hold back. It's your input that makes this community awesome. Before you head off to plan your next getaway, be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're first in line for our upcoming adventures. And hey, don't keep all the excitement to yourself. Share this video with your fellow travel lovers. After all, exploring is even better when we can inspire and learn from each other. Thanks again for watching, and catch you in the next journey.